Hello students, this video is about algal flagella, their structure and role in classification of algae. Students, flagella are thin, long protoplasmic threads that occur in many groups of algae. Flagella are helpful in locomotion, and Cyanophyta and Rhodophyta are only two classes of algae which lack flagella. And algal flagella are extremely fine and haline emergence of the cytoplasm. They may occur singly or in pairs. They may be many in number, or they can be isocontic, that is equal in length, or heterocontype, that is unequal in length. Students, you can see in these images that flagella may occur singly, as in first image. They may occur in pairs. They may be of two unequal type, or they may occur in groups. Students, next is types of flagella. Flagella are of two types, that is bipless or acronematic. This type of flagella is with smooth surface, as you can see in this image. Second is tinsel or pleuronematic. It is covered by fine filamentous appendages called as mastigonemes or flemurs, as you can see in the image. Students, tinsel type of flagella is further divided into three types. First one is pentonematic. Here, mastigonemes are arranged in two opposite rows or radially. Second one is pentocronematic. Here, pentonematic flagellum is with the terminal fibril. Third one is stichonematic. Here, mastigonemes develop only on one side of the flagellum. Students, motile algal cells are typically biflagellate, although quadriflagellate types are commonly found in green algae. A triflagellate type of zoospore that may be present in Chlorophyceae or Chlorophyta may have originated from a quadriflagellate ancestor by reduction, whereas the few uniflagellate forms are most likely descendant of the biflagellated cells. In some species, one flagellum of the pair is reduced to a non-functional basal body attached to the functional one, as in Dictyota dichotoma, that is a member of Phaeophyceae. Students, a special case of multiflagellate alga is the naked zoospore of Oedogonium, where the numerous flagella form a ring or crown around the apical portion of the cells, as you can see in the second image. Students, here you can see different kind of flagella in algae. First one, flagella occurring in pair in Chlamydomonas. Second is in androspore of Oedogonium. They occur in the form of a ring at apical portion. In third type, that is in Phaeophyta, zoospore of two types, that is unequal heterocon type. One is bipless type and second one is tinsel shape. Same is the case with the Poucheria. While in Bacillariophyceae, you can see it is of tinsel shape, it is single and pentonematic. That is, flemurs are arranged in a row. Students, next is structure of flagellum. A flagellum is a structurally complex structure containing more than 250 types of proteins. Each flagellum consists of an axoneme. Axoneme is core-forming central filament or cylinder with 9 outer pairs of microtubules surrounding 2 central microtubules. Students, you can see in this image that 2 central microtubules are surrounded by the outer microtubules that are 9 in number. Axoneme is surrounded by the plasma membrane, you can see in this image. The outer pair of microtubules are connected to the axoneme by a protein called nexin. Each of the 9 outer pairs of microtubule has a alpha tubule and beta tubule. Students, the terminal naked portion of axoneme is called end piece and it can be blunt or pointed. You can see a pointed end piece in this image. Students, there is a single granule at the base of each flagellum and it resembles with the centriole and it is called as blepharoblast, as you can see in images. This colorless point is blepharoblast. Students, in general, fibrils show 9+2 arrangement in algae. Position, number and kind of flagella differ from division to division and it can be a base for classification of algae. And on the basis of presence or absence and number of flagella, algae can be divided into following groups. You can see that in Cyanophyta and Rhodophyta, cells are non-motile, means there is no flagella in Cyanophyta and Rhodophyta. While in Chlorophyta, 2 to 4 flagella may be there, but these flagella are pipless type, means they have smooth surface. In Charophyta, 2 equal pipless type of flagella may occur. In Basidiophyta, one tinsel shaped flagella is there and it generally present in male gamete. In Euglenophyta, flagella is mainly one but rarely it may be 2 to 3 and the shape is tinsel type. In Xanthophyta, 2 unequal flagella may occur. One is tinsel type and second is pipless type. In Phaeophysi or Phaeophyta, 2 unequal flagella are there but they occur in reproductive stage and they may be tinsel shape or pipless type. In Chrysophyta, 2 unequal flagella are there. One may be pipless type and one may be tinsel shape, as you have seen earlier in the image. So students, that's all about the flagellum in algae, their structure, and their types and their role in classification of algae. I hope you understood this topic. Thank you for listening.